Hello, good morning. I'm Emil Iligaspi from BS Stream 16. Now, we tackle about the rational choice theory and the routine activity theory. Now, we proceed to introduction. Uh, Before we start, let's see what rational choice theory mean. Rational choice theory is an economic principle that states that individuals always make prudent and logical decisions. This decision provide people with the greatest benefit or satisfaction. Since then, the theory has been expanded and extended, include other perspectives such as deterrence, crime prevention, and routine activity theory. Origin of rational choice theory. Uh, Rational choice theory originated during the late 18th century with the work of Cesar Beccaria. According to Beccaria and most classical theories, free will enables people to make choices. Beccaria believed that people have a rational manner and apply it toward making choices that will help them achieve their own personal gratification. What is rational choice theory? Rational choice theory can apply to a variety of areas, including economics, psychology, and philosophy. This theory states that individuals use their self-interest to make choices that will provide them with the greatest benefit. People weigh their option and make the choice they think will serve them the best. Example of rational choice theory. If you are on the bank and you have the desire to commit a crime in that place, but you see there are so many guards and CCTVs, you will think it is reasonable to choose if it's worth it to do even if you know you will be caught and maybe in prison. The reasonable thing to do is not to continue because it will benefit yourself from not being in prison. Here the rational choice come. In other words, you will choose what is better for you or what is better to an offender. Understanding rational choice theory. Many mainstream economic assumptions and theories are based on rational choice theory. Rational choice theory is associated with a concept of rational actors, self-interest, and invisible hand. The key elements of our rational choice explanation are individual preferences, beliefs, and constraints. Preferences denote the positive or negative evaluation individuals attach to possible outcomes of their action. What are the three concepts of rational choice theory? Like I said in the first slide, the third third slide, uh, rational choice theory have three concepts: rational actors, self-interest, and the invisible hand. Rationality can be used as an assumption for the behavior of individuals in wide range of contexts. Outside economics, it also used in political science, sociology, and philosophy. Rational actors are the individuals in an economy who make rational based on calculation and the information that is available to them. Rational actors form the basis of rational choice theory. Rational actors are the what example of rational actors? Rational actors the offender who have interest to commit a crime. Self-interest is anything done for seeking personal gain. An example of self-interest, for example, is pursuing higher education to get a better job so that you can make more money in the future. Invisible hand, a metaphor introduced by 18th century Scottish philosopher and economist Adam Smith. Uh, Mr. Smith's invisible hand described how individuals making self-decision could collectively and unwittingly contribute to an effective economic system that was in a public. In other words, individuals driven by self-interest. The main goal of rational choice theory is to explain Pros of rational choice or the advantages of rational choice. Helpful in explaining individual and collective behaviors. All theories attempt to give meaning to the things we observe in the world, can help to explain behavior that seem irrational. Cons of rational choice or the disadvantages of rational choice. Individuals do not always make irrational decisions. In reality, people are often moved by external factors that are not rational, such as emotion. Individuals do not have perfect access to the information they would need to make the most rational decision every time. People value some dollars more than the others. Uh, the main goal of rational theory is to explain why individuals and larger groups make certain choices based on specific costs and rewards. According to rational choice theory, individuals use their self-interest to make choices that will provide them with the greatest benefit. Uh, Rational choice theory basic premises. Human beings base their behavior on rational calculation. They act rationality when making choices. Their choices are aimed at optimization of their pleasure or profit. Always remember that the rational choice theory assumes that all people try to actively maximize their advantage in any situation. Therefore, constantly try to minimize their losses. That's how rational choice theory works. Now we are going to the routine activity theory. We proceed to the introduction. Routine activities theory is a theory of crime events. This differs from a majority of criminological theories which focus on explaining why some people commit crime rather than how criminal events are produced. Although at first glance this distinction may appear inconsequential, it has important implication for research and prevention of crime. Routine activities theory suggests that the organization of routine activities in society create opportunities for crime. On the other hand, routine activity theory focus on broad and situational factors, micro and macro level theories. Opportunity theory, environmental criminology. Uh, Routine activity developed by Cohen and Pelson revolves around three things: a potential offender, a suitable target, and the absence of capable guardians. These three elements converging over place and time increase and decrease likelihood that crime occurs. Likely offender, suitable targets, capable guardians. Likely offender, anyone with inclination to commit crime. Suitable target, if she or he have value, inertia or visibility access. Capable guardians prevent the convergence in time and pace of offender and target. Capable guardians intimate handlers and place manager. Uh, for example, if an offender is motivated to commit crime, he or she might not to do if there are many people around. These people act as a guardian simply by being present because they may act when they see a crime happening. On the other hand, of course, if guardians are absent, a crime is more likely to occur. About the theory, first published in 1979, published by Marcus Pelson and Lawrence E. Cohen. Extension of rational choice theory, created in response to positive economic climate with a high crime. What makes a motivated offender? Capable and willing to commit a crime. Motivation of need and excitement. Perhaps has nothing to lose. Rewards greater than consequence. What constitute capable guardian? People or object that deter crimes. Police, animals or dogs, neighborhood watch, alarm system, and locking device. What is a suitable target? An accessible target can be include a person or an object or a place. The following acronym has been used to describe accessible targets. Uh, in routine activity theory, looks crime from offender's point of view. A crime will only be committed if likely offender thinks that the target is suitable and absent of capable guardian. It is an offender assessment of situation to determine whether a crime will take place. Uh, Always remember, crime happen when the guardians are absent. An accessible target can be include person or an object or a place. The following acronyms have been used to describe accessible targets. VIVA or value, inertia, visibility, and access. What is value? Value of a person, inertia if the things are easy to get, or visibility and access to that person. Method. Routine activities theory has guided research designed to understand a range of phenomena including crime trends over time, distribution of crime across space, and individual differences in victimization. In addition, researchers have considered how opportunities for crime high exist at multiple levels. For example, the characteristic of one is neighborhood, and the feature of the home might be influenced the livelihood of burglary victimization. Researchers have used various research methods to meet these different needs. The selection of research reviewed the following paragraph illustrate the different methods of researchers have used to test hypotheses developed from routine activities theory. Uh, Always remember the routine activities theory describe the necessary elements of crime, those who have the potential to prevent it, while rational choice theory articulates the process by which offenders makes decision. And that's all. Thank you.